Hey guys, it's me Tom, and today I am gonna be showing you how to make your own paper cardboard butterfly knife slash balisong. Pretty basic. So what you're gonna need for this is glue or hot glue. I'm just using regular glue this time. Scissors. You're gonna need tacks, 2 tacks and 2 erasers off pencils, and you're gonna need two sheets of paper. Okay, so let's get started. Move all your important stuff off to the side, I guess. Start with 1 sheet of paper, fold that in half, and then put some glue on there, and then spread that out. Try and get it like spread just like a kind of even coat, I guess, on the paper. And then when you think you have enough, just fold that up and give it a couple, maybe 2 or 3 minutes to dry, just so it can harden a bit. But I don't have time for that, so I'm just gonna keep going. So you're gonna want to fold it again and just do the same thing. Put a bit of glue on there. And just spread it out. Okay. And then one more time. Fold it in half. And then put some more glue on there. Spread that all out. Okay, so now you should have something like this with some nice thick hard paper. You're gonna wanna fold it in half. Oh, I also forgot, you might need a ruler and a marker. Fold it in half. Draw a line somewhat down the middle. Fold these 2 halves in like this, and then cut it down the middle. Like so. Okay, so now you have the 2 pieces that are gonna be like the swinging pieces and the handle. So you can do some touch-ups on those, give them a good trim, and set them to dry. So we'll start again once these are finished drying. Give them about 10 minutes maybe, or just put them under a lamp or in front of your window. Okay, so while you're waiting for your pieces to dry, these are some ones that I've already made, and my other 2 are just up against the window drying. So I'll put these ones over there as well. So once while you're waiting for those to dry, you can start working on your blade. It's basically the same thing, just folding and gluing. So, just get down to business. Glue and spread. Maybe I'll make one in memory of Billy Mays, but not Michael Jackson. I'm not a MJ fan. Hate to say it, but I ain't. Okay. Okay, so now you should just have something like this, and you're just gonna want to let that dry for a bit too. So we'll start back when all the pieces are dry.